Good morning. My name is Muhammad Rifki Mahardika.
And my name is Kevin Octavio Armanda.
We, the representative 3rd grade aeronautics cadet, are going to tell you about engine propulsion practice that we did in Nusantara Turbine and Propulsion in Bandung on January 2024. NTP is a subsidiary from PT Dirgantara Indonesia that's taking care of some types of aircraft engine like GT8D from Boeing 737 aircraft that we have in Squadron 5 in Makassar.
And also CT7 from CN235 aircraft that we have in Squadron 27 in Biak. And the other types of engine from various aircraft, various countries from around the world. In this company, we learned many things about the engine. First, we were taught about how gas turbine engine generally works.
Cold air will go into the engine from the air engine, which is the front part of the engine. After that, it will be compressed in a compressor section that consists of rotor and stator. After reaching high pressure and temperature, then the hot air is hot enough to burn the mixture of fuel and oxygen in the combustion chamber.
The combustion will result in very hot gas and will be expanded to rotate the turbine of the engine and resulting the thrust for the aircraft. The turbine of every gas turbine engine is connected to the rotor on the compressor section, which is used to compress the cold air to raise the pressure and the temperature of it.
GT80 is one of some types of engine that NTP is taking care of. We were taught many things about the engine and the specification, performance, and how to do maintenance to this engine. Next, about non-destructive tests that they do to many components in the engine to search if there are some cracks on the component or not.
Then, the next is the balancing process of rotating components such as rotors, prop compressors, and turbine. There are two ways to do balancing on this component, depending on the construction of the engine. The first one is by adding counterweight on the specific angle of the disc. And then the second one is by scraping the disc in the place provided there on the specific angle. Next, we will talk a little about engine assembly, and we really did a little process of engine assembly by installing the air gate fan on the engine.
I'm gonna explain how turbofan engine works. Firstly, the cold air will go through the inlet gate fan, and then it will be compressed in the compressor section, which consists of two sections. This one is the low pressure compressor, and the blue one is the high pressure compressor. And then after the cold air get the pressure enough, then it will be hot enough to burn the mixture of the fuel and oxygen in the combustion chamber. Then the combustion will resulting hot gas that rotate the turbine. This one is low pressure turbine and this one is high pressure turbine. This is an example of two-spool turbofan that consists of two shafts. The high pressure turbine connected with the high pressure compressor and the low pressure turbine connected with the low pressure compressor. And then after the hot gases expanded to the turbine will rotate the compressor and also resulting thrust, and then the plane will get the thrust. Besides turbofan, there are three other types of turbine gas engine. The first one is turbojet, which is the basic of turbine gas engine. Then there are turboshaft and turbopropeller. So these are the components of turbofan engine. The first one is the blade of the fan, and next is the compressor. There are actually two types of compressor. This one is axial type, which consists of rotor and stator, and there is another types, the centrifugal compressor. Then the combustion chamber. There are actually three types, but here we only have two of them. The first one is the can combustion chamber, and the second one is the annular. And this is the ignition system. This one is the fuel sprayer, and this is the igniter. Then after that, the last component is the turbine. There are two sections of turbine. The first one is high pressure turbine, and the second one is low pressure turbine that connects to the compressor.